Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot, and with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. We are now rounding it out at question 15 of the top 15 ALJ trick questions. I'll be doing some more after this. I'll go into 16, 17, 18, 19, because I know some of you math nuts really care about staying within the metric, but I don't care. I don't care. We're going to go past it. Let's begin. Trick question is, if you received the benefits, how would you use them? First, be educated. It's two types of benefits. Benefit 1, health insurance for the rest of your life so long as you stay disabled. Benefit 2, a check every month. Life is good. Hooray, hooray. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, good. Now let's get to the point. If you receive the benefits, what would you use them for? If you mention, and I hope to God you don't, that you're going to buy your significant other something, or you're going to buy your friend something, or you're going to buy beer or alcohol, or you're going to blah, 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 or you're going to spend it on cigarettes, God help you. You're an idiot. God help you, you're an idiot. Okay. Those are all bad. Not as bad as telling the judge that you're going to use them to pay back your drug dealer, but, you know, we're assuming you're not going to undo that, even though that has happened to me a couple of times. All right. If you received the benefits, how would you use them? How would you utilize them? What would you use them on? My personal upkeep and medical treatment. Simple, sweet, straightforward, summarized. Conclusion, done. Green screen is waving back and forth because there's two dogs running around. If you received the benefits, how would you use them? I would pay back my drug dealer, I would give half the money to my friend to get him the Harley he's always wanted, and I would buy cigarettes with the rest of it. If you received the benefits, how would you use them? Right? Okay. I would use them for my personal upkeep and medical treatment. Done. Easy. Simple. Green flag, go. You're good. You're on to the next question. That rounds out the top 15 ALJ trick questions that you are going to run into while you're in that hearing. Okay? If you have any questions, you want a video made about a particular topic, or you want the most up-to-date information, give me a call. Shadow, stop digging a hole. What are you doing? Give me a call, shoot me a text, or shoot me an email. And remember, guys, here's the thing. When you shoot me an email, for the love of God, okay, 2 paragraphs, maybe 3. I don't need to read 5 pages. I don't need it. Your entire situation can be summed up in 3 paragraphs. Don't tell me the story about your aunt. I don't care. What is your most severe impairment? What are your other severe impairments? What medications are you taking? Current age, highest level of education, where you're at in the system. When did you get your last denial? That's what I need to know. All right? Attorney Walter Hnot, Disability Resolution PA. You have an absolutely wonderful day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.